Do you love your Apple AirTag but hate replacing those tiny CR2032 batteries every few months? Today, we're reviewing the AirTag 10-year extended battery case that uses AA batteries and claims to deliver 14 times more capacity than a standard CR2032. We'll break down how it works, its pros and cons, and whether it's worth upgrading your AirTag setup. If you love clear, honest tech reviews that save you money and hassle, hit that like button and subscribe for weekly smart gear reviews. What is the AirTag 10-year extended battery case? This accessory replaces the AirTag's coin battery with a AA-powered battery case, boosting battery life massively while eliminating frequent battery swaps. It's designed for pet collars, vehicle tracking, luggage, and bikes, places where you don't want your AirTag dying when you need it most. Pros: massive battery life. Using a single AA battery, you get up to 10 years of power, compared to 3 to 6 months with a CR2032. No more tiny batteries. No need to buy and replace coin cell batteries frequently. Easy to replace batteries. AA batteries are cheap, widely available, and easier to swap out. Durable and weather resistant. Most extended battery cases are ruggedized, making them better for outdoor and pet tracking. Eco-friendly options. Pair with rechargeable AA batteries to reduce waste. Con: bulky size. The AA case is larger than your standard AirTag, making it less pocket-friendly. Not Apple official. Using third-party accessories may void your AirTag warranty, so be aware. Design trade-offs. You may need to use it on larger items like a dog collar, bike, or vehicle where bulk isn't an issue. Should you buy it? If you use your AirTag for pet tracking, vehicle security, or travel, this extended battery case is a game-changer, giving you peace of mind that your tracker won't die in an emergency. But if you use AirTags in wallets or for lightweight travel, the extra bulk may not be worth it. Check the AirTag extended battery case here. Affiliate link: Amazon or Maker's site. Purchasing through this link supports the channel at no extra cost to you. Question for you: would you rather have a sleek AirTag with 3-month battery or a bulkier setup that lasts 10 years? Comment below and let me know. If you found this helpful, like this video, subscribe, and ring the bell for weekly Apple accessory reviews, AirTag hacks, and smart travel gear comparisons to help you protect your gear and simplify your life. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next review.